I'm here today with the head Xtreme Soft, and it really is Xtreme Soft. I like the packaging here from those heads because you can feel a little bit before you buy if you're in the store, but that's also why I'm here to talk to you about this. It's really soft and it has a couple of holes, so it also helps a little bit with grip there and sweat absorption or sweat pass through. So I think it's really nice for those longer sessions, and it's very thin, so you can put on as many layers or as few layers as you want and make that handle as thick or as thin as you want. For paddle, thinner handles have been the trend, but this also is a tennis racket brand, of course, so you can use it either way. Very nice, very thin. It isn't that tacky. Just a little bit. It's also a little bit smooth here, but then those holes just give you a little bit more grip as well, so I think that's nice too. They aren't that expensive. Very easy to put on. Just remember to remove the plastic before you put that on, because otherwise you don't have all the tackiness benefits. So for anyone who isn't into really tackiness, doesn't like a lot of perforation or structure, I think, but just a little bit with a couple of those holes, I think this is a really good choice.